Hello everybody. So before we get started with the nail tutorial, I would like to show you guys my nail care routine prior to doing the manicure. So we're going to start off with the Sally Hansen Problem Cuticle Remover. I use this most of the time before I do my manicure, and I will be applying this onto my cuticles, and I'll just put this amount and apply it to my cuticles only, as you guys will see in a few seconds. And I'm basically just gently applying it on there. And then I'll take a stick and gently push back the cuticles. I don't push them back hard. I gently push them back. I do not cut my cuticles because I just don't. And I think you shouldn't either, but you know. And I was trying to show you guys of the break that I had, because I did break my nail up after the manicure, unfortunately. So I did have to fix it, and I will have a video on that. So it did break after that. I should have took care of it, you know, then, but I didn't. So I have a video on it now, so you guys will see that after this video. I hate nail breaks. It sucks, but it's cool. Alright, so I'm going to leave this on for 5 minutes to let it soak in, and then after that I will be washing my hands. Alright, as you guys can see, sorry about the lighting. I didn't think it was that yellow, so this will be over in just a moment. But I am washing my hands with a gentle soap or whatever type of hand washing soap. It doesn't matter which one you use, whatever that's comfortable for your skin. And when you are doing your nails, you just want to make sure that you're taking care of your whole hand. And I will be using a nail brush, and I'm going to use some baking soda, and I'm also going to use some vinegar as well to clean my nails. Some white vinegar, distilled white vinegar, I'm sorry, to further clean underneath my nails. And I always do this because, you know, our nails carry a lot of germs and a lot of bacteria, so you want to make sure that you get all of the bacteria, or most of it, because you can't get all the bacteria out of your nails, but you want to get most of it out. So that's what I'm doing. Alright, now our hands are nicely washed, and now we're going to moisturize it with some Gold Bond Healing Hand Cream. You guys know I have very, very dry skin, so Gold Bond lotion does work for me. I realized that this is probably the only lotion that really works for my skin, because again, my skin is very, it can get very, very dry. So make sure that you apply some type of some type of moisturizing cream or whatever to for your hands. I'm sorry. Okay, now we are going to file my nails. I just file them, you know, basically lightly, just to even them out, or basically if there's any sharp ends or anything of the case, if there's any hangnails or anything of the case, just to make sure, so we can have a smooth manicure. All right, now I'll be applying my concoction of nail cuticle oil. I did make a mixture, and I did mix this with some oils. If you guys want to know, let me know in the description bar, I'm sorry, in the comment section below, and I will let you guys know. And I gently rub it in on the cuticles, because I want to get that moisturization back on the cuticles, and this is very crucial, because this helps with your nails and keeping your nails nice and healthy and moisturize. All done. Alright, so now we're going to take some Nourishing nail polish remover, and we're just going to lightly take whatever type of oil that happened to get on the nail bed. Don't hit the cuticles, just hit the nail beds itself to remove any excess oil on there, so that your nail polish can stay longer. Then we're going to use a base coat. The base coat we're going to use is Duri Rejuvacote, my #1 base coat that I always use. I always like to put a base coat prior to putting on nail polish, because I don't want my nails to stain or anything of the case, and also to have that type of strengthening type deal for my nails so I can have less nail breakage. So this is kind of like a protection barrier. A lot of people don't like to do this part, or they think it's too much, or whatever the case is, but for me, I have to do this part because I feel more secure when I am applying the base coat. And as you guys can see, I'm also sealing the nail at the top. As you guys can see, at the free edge, I'm sealing the nails because I want to make sure that this stays on. So I do this with all type of layers that I put on my nails to secure the nail polish, just so the nail polish can stay longer. Alright, so the nail polish that I'm going to use is going to be the Colorstay Gel Envy. It's called Wildcard by Revlon. I'm sorry you guys, I didn't show it. I really apologize about that. I thought I did, but I basically was trying to rush because it was late, okay? And as you guys know, I always like to clean up as I'm doing my nails. It's probably tedious to you guys, but when the nails are wet, especially, you want to make sure that you get whatever mistake that you got, because it will be harder for you to get the mistake when the when the nail polish hardens, because you know, nail polish can dry quickly and you will be more of a risk to having more mistakes. So you want to make sure that when you are cleaning up your nails, you want to make sure that you are doing it right after, okay? You don't want to wait to clean up your mistakes unless you're just plain lazy and just want to look like that and have mad nail polish on your cuticles. I mean, do you, boo-boo? That's the look you're going for, but I'm going for the neat look, okay? But you know, whatever floats your boat. And as you guys can see, I am also sealing the free edge because I want to make sure that the nail polish stays as long as it can and not chip away so quickly. So that's one of the tricks. Alright, so I'm using regular aluminum foil that you can find in your kitchen, and this is basically a budget nail edition of, you know, some shattered nails or broken mirror type deal. I'm basically doing another coat, okay? And I'm doing this because I want to apply the pieces of aluminum foil that I cut, as you guys saw, and I want it to adhere, so you have to do it right away. So do not wait, especially if it is one of those quick drying type deal nails. And I'm using the tweezers to apply this. So basically this is self-explanatory. You don't have to put it in any particular order. It doesn't have to be exactly like how I do it. Just make it look like broken glass. However you want to put it and whatever you feel comfortable doing is really up to you. I had a hard time, as you guys could see. I was on the struggle bus, but it's okay. You know, I mean, when I did this a long time ago and it was a fail and I didn't even show it on video. So now I'm showing you guys. Hopefully it looks okay, I guess so, but everything else should be self-explanatory for the rest of the video. I may be back, but if not, I hope you guys enjoy. And definitely you know, this is very budget friendly. You can find aluminum foil, you know, in your house. You know, this is just basically, I got this from Cute Polish here on YouTube. I basically think she was she had a video from someone else or something like that, but I did see it on her channel, and someone did this, and this is just basically, you know, if you're on a budget, you guys know we are saving. So if you want to, you know, want some type of cool nails like this, definitely look in your kitchen, get your aluminum foil, and just, you know, be creative. Okay, so that's just basically about that. So I thought this was pretty cool because, you know, you don't have time to go to nail salon, or you don't have time to, you know, do nail stripies and all that, and this is just kind of easy. So I guess it look okay. Like, is it Gucci? Are we Gucci? I don't know, but it's whatever. But anyway, but that's basically about that. So I will be doing the rest of the nails like that, and then after that I will apply a top coat, which is called Out the Door, and that's just basically it about that, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you like more nail tutorials, please hit the like button. If you like my videos, or if you like my channel, definitely subscribe and let me know your requests and things of that sort, and I definitely will try to fulfill them to the best of my ability. And thank you so much for all of your support. I really do appreciate all of you guys. Thank you for coming back, and thank you for staying, and welcome to all my new Scarlet, my viewers, and my followers. Thank you, and thank you for tuning in. Thank you guys so much, and I think that's it. I done talked enough. All right, you guys, if you have any questions, comments, please ask. I was this member, watching.